Hey there, Focus Daily viewers. Ever find yourself staring at your textbook, but your mind keeps drifting off to literally anything else? Yup, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to help you tackle procrastination and master your focus so you can get those study sessions done and dusted. First up, let's talk about why we procrastinate. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy, it's often a response to stress, anxiety, and feeling overwhelmed. When you understand this, you can start addressing the root cause. Now let's get into some actionable steps. Tip number 1, break it down. Divide your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes them less intimidating and easier to tackle. For example, instead of telling yourself to study for 2 hours straight, aim for 25-minute study sessions with 5-minute breaks in between. This is known as the Pomodoro technique, and trust me, it works wonders. Tip number 2, create a dedicated study space. Your environment plays a huge role in your ability to focus. Find a quiet, clutter-free area where you can set up your study materials. Make sure it's comfortable, but not too comfortable. You don't want to fall asleep. Tip number 3, prioritize your tasks. Make a to-do list and rank your tasks by importance. Tackle the most critical ones first, when your energy levels are highest. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated throughout the day. Tip number 4, eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone, or better yet, put it in another room. Use apps like Freedom or Focus at Will to block distracting websites and create a focused work environment. Lastly, tip number 5, reward yourself. Give yourself something to look forward to after you complete a task. This could be a small treat, a short walk, or even a quick YouTube break. Rewards help reinforce positive behavior and make studying more enjoyable. There you have it, 5 practical tips to stop procrastinating and master your focus. Now it's time for action. Try implementing these strategies and see how they work for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for more study tips and tricks from EduFocus Daily. See you next time.